Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge the Chevy Bolt. Let's start by understanding the three main charging levels available for your vehicle. Level 1 uses a standard household outlet, while Level 2 offers significantly faster charging at home. For quick top-ups on the go, you'll use DC fast charging. Knowing these options and their connectors is key to keeping your Bolt powered up and ready for your next adventure. Charging at home is convenient and often the most common method. Level 1 charging simply plugs into any standard 120-volt wall outlet, adding about 4 miles of range per hour. For much faster home charging, Level 2 uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to a clothes dryer, and can add up to 25 miles of range per hour. This significantly reduces your charging time. When you're on the road and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best friend. This method uses a specialized CCS combo connector and can add a substantial amount of range in a short period. You can typically gain up to 100 miles of range in around 30 minutes, making it perfect for longer journeys or when time is limited. To get the most out of your Chevy Bolt's battery, consider some best practices. Try to keep your charge between 20% and 80% for optimal battery longevity, and avoid consistently charging to 100% unless needed for a long trip. Scheduling your charging during off-peak hours can also save you money on electricity costs. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And if you love reading, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.